Selling for scallops.
Not 2 days in a row. Oh yeah. I'll just eat the sharky. You got a blue shark. You got another blue shark.
Lexi, back up.
Had this pulling in his first shark.
Hold on. Let him sit for a second.
Oops. Doing great.
Oh, that one wasn't. That was a mackerel. That was a big mackerel.
Well, let just go ahead.
He's just fine for you.
Look at the mackerel behind it. You see it? See the mackerel?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, leave that shark there. Oh, there you go, Clay. Hang on to it.
Leave it in the water a little bit.
Same one.
Clay, back away.
What is it? Shark.
Don't tap your mind.
Watch him.
See how he pulls up, guys, to set it?
Yeah.
You did it again?
Sharky has.
Back.
Here, Lex.
Hi.
You're going to have to help her hold the line, obviously. You know that.
I'm down here.
Sign, Mike.
Get over here.
Here.
Got your shark.
Get that line out of the way.
Real.
Real, baby.
Real.
You got a bigger one, don't you?
Yeah, this one's a little bit.
This is another one I got.
Yeah.
You have 2 sharks. This is a shark.
King mackerel.
Two up the Lexi.
It's right there. Where's Lexi?
Lexi's in front of... Lexi's reeling.
Oh, okay. I didn't see
Right
Lexi.
there.
Dad, do you need the
Hold
net?
on to it.
Where's the pliers? Dad, do you need
Don't
the net?
take your hand off.
I don't know where the pliers are.
Right in the tackle box, I think.
Way to go.